In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone an admin in Slack. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure you follow each step closely to successfully upgrade someone's role in your workspace. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to slack.com and open your workspace. You can do this by simply logging into your Slack account and navigating to the desired workspace where you want to make the admin changes. This is the starting point for everything we'll do today. Next, you're going to click on your company name. You can typically find this at the top left corner of your Slack interface. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu showing various options. Navigating through this menu is crucial as it provides access to the settings we need to adjust today. After this, proceed by going to the Tools and Settings section. Then select Administration. Within this, you'll want to click on Manage Members. This part is where all your current workspace members are listed, and it's also where we can make adjustments to user roles. Now, you'll choose the member you want to make an admin. Simply scroll through the list or use the search function to locate their name quickly. Once you've found the right person, click on the three dots next to their name. This will open additional options specifically related to that member. With the menu open, look for the option labeled Change Account Type. Clicking this allows you to modify what permissions and abilities this member will have within the workspace. It's this change that will elevate their privileges to that of an admin. Once inside, go ahead and click on Workspace Admin. This choice sets their role as an admin, enabling them to manage various settings and members more freely than a standard user. It's a powerful role, so be sure you're making this change for someone who understands the responsibilities that come with it. Finally, be sure to click Save to apply all the changes you've just made. This crucial step ensures that the new role is updated and in effect. Without clicking Save, none of the previous steps will take hold, and the member will remain at their prior permission level. And that's it. You've now successfully promoted someone to admin in your Slack workspace. Each step is essential for making sure this process goes smoothly, so always double-check your actions as you proceed. Empower your team members by giving them the tools they need and enable your workspace to run more efficiently. Thanks for joining in and happy Slacking.